Beneath our feet lies a world we rarely consider: soil. It's a hidden universe, teeming with life, quietly working to sustain everything we know. Every handful of soil contains billions of organisms, from tiny bacteria to earthworms, all playing a vital role in keeping our planet healthy. Soil is not just dirt. It's the living foundation of life on land, supporting our food, forests, and homes. It nurtures the crops we eat, the trees that clean our air, and the gardens that bring beauty to our neighborhoods. Without healthy soil, life as we know it would simply not exist. But this vital resource is under threat, facing dangers that are often invisible to the naked eye. Across the world, soil is being damaged at an alarming rate. Human activities have polluted soil with invisible toxins like lead, cadmium, and arsenic. These heavy metals and chemicals can linger for decades, making the land unsafe for generations. These pollutants seep in silently, spreading through water and plants, contaminating our food chain. They don't just stay in the ground, they travel, reaching rivers, crops, and even the food on our plates. The result? Unsafe land, toxic crops, and serious health risks for people and animals. Children playing in contaminated areas, farmers losing their livelihoods, and communities facing long-term health problems. Traditional cleanup methods are costly and often just move the problem elsewhere. Digging up and transporting soil can spread contamination, while the expense puts solutions out of reach for many. Chemical treatments can damage the soil even more, destroying the delicate balance of life within it and leaving the land barren and lifeless. The scale of the crisis is global, affecting cities and rural areas alike. No corner of the world is immune, and the problem is growing every year. But what if nature itself offered a solution? One that's simple, elegant, and already growing among us. Imagine harnessing the power of plants to heal the earth. Imagine a tool that heals the earth, not with machines or chemicals, but with life itself, a natural remedy, quietly working to restore balance and hope. The answer may be more beautiful than you think. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the ones that have been with us all along, waiting to be discovered. Sunflowers are more than just symbols of summer and happiness. Their golden petals and towering stalks brighten up gardens and fields, but there's so much more to these remarkable plants than meets the eye. Beyond their beauty, sunflowers possess a hidden superpower. They can actually clean the soil they grow in, making them a vital part of nature's toolkit. These plants act as natural detoxifiers, drawing up pollutants that other plants cannot. In places where the earth has been damaged by industry or disaster, sunflowers are often planted to help restore the land. Their deep, powerful roots reach far into the ground, absorbing toxic metals and even radioactive elements that would otherwise remain in the soil for decades. Sunflowers store these dangerous substances safely in their tissues, preventing them from spreading further and making the environment safer for other plants, animals, and people. In this way, sunflowers act as living filters, quietly restoring balance to damaged land and giving hope to areas once thought beyond repair. This makes them invaluable allies in our fight to heal the planet. Their ability to thrive in tough conditions and help clean up our messes is nothing short of extraordinary. Next time you see a sunflower, remember, it's not just a pretty face. It's a powerful force for good, working silently to make the world a better place for all of us. These humble giants are healers, working in partnership with us to solve complex environmental problems. Scientists and communities around the world are turning to sunflowers as a natural solution to pollution. Sometimes the most effective solutions are growing right before our eyes, quietly transforming the landscape and offering hope for a cleaner, greener future. The sunflower's secret is changing the world, one field at a time, reminding us that beauty and strength can go hand in hand. The sunflower's power comes from a process called phytoremediation. Phyto means plant, and remediation means to fix. So it's simply using plants to clean up pollution. Certain plants, called hyperaccumulators, naturally absorb and store toxins from soil, water, or air. Instead of using heavy machinery, we plant these species and let them do the work. For heavy metals, the process is called phytoextraction. Roots draw up contaminants, which are stored in the plant's leaves and stems. Once the plants are full of toxins, they're harvested and safely disposed of, or even used to recover valuable metals. It's a gentle, cost-effective, and sustainable way to heal the earth. Nature's cleanup crew has been here all along. Sunflowers, or Helianthus annus, are champions of phytoextraction. Their vast root networks reach deep and wide, seeking out water, nutrients, and hidden toxins like lead, arsenic, and even radioactive isotopes. Sunflower roots release natural compounds that unlock pollutants, making them easier to absorb. The plant's internal system then transports these toxins up into its leaves and flowers, safely storing them away. As hyperaccumulators, sunflowers tolerate and trap high concentrations of toxins without harm. After a season, the contaminated plants are harvested, leaving the soil cleaner and healthier. Each sunflower acts as a solar-powered pump, quietly transforming polluted land into a place of hope. This is nature's alchemy at work. After the 1986 Chernobyl disaster, radioactive soil and water seemed impossible to clean. Scientists turned to sunflowers, planting them in contaminated fields and floating them on polluted ponds. The results were astonishing. Sunflowers absorbed radioactive cesium and strontium, removing over 95% of cesium from a pond in just 10 days. These plants became living symbols of hope, showing that nature could help heal even the most devastated landscapes. The Chernobyl Sunflower Project proved that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Sunflowers cleaned up nuclear waste using only sunlight, water, and their own biology. This landmark experiment inspired the world to look to nature for answers. Even in the shadow of disaster, life and healing can bloom. In 2011, after the Fukushima nuclear accident, Japan faced a new wave of radioactive contamination. Inspired by Chernobyl, millions of sunflower seeds were planted across the region by farmers, volunteers, and school children. Sunflowers absorbed radioactive cesium, helping to slowly clean the soil. More than a scientific project, it became a symbol of hope and community resilience. The sight of sunflowers transformed fields of worry into fields of optimism. While the cleanup continues, the project united people and gave them a way to take action. Phytoremediation proved it can heal both land and spirit. For farmers, sunflowers offer a lifeline. Contaminated land can be restored affordably, turning a liability into a productive asset. Over time, sunflowers reduce toxins, making soil safe for crops and restoring livelihoods. Cleaner soil means cleaner water, protecting communities from polluted runoff. This natural process improves public health, especially for children vulnerable to toxins. Sunflowers also enrich the soil and create safer green spaces in cities. The ripple effect is profound. Healthier land, safer food, and stronger communities. By working with nature, we build resilience from the ground up. Sometimes a field of flowers can change everything. A single sunflower seed holds the promise of environmental healing. With just seeds, soil, sunlight, and water, anyone can help restore damaged land. This simple, accessible solution empowers communities everywhere to take action. Sunflowers are nature's technology, solar-powered, self-replicating, and incredibly effective. By partnering with nature, we choose a path that's sustainable and harmonious. Planting a sunflower is more than gardening. It's a statement of hope and responsibility. It's a grassroots solution to a global problem. Each seed is a step toward a cleaner, healthier future. Sometimes, the smallest actions hold the greatest promise. The sunflower's story is one of hope and partnership with nature. Its bright petals and resilient spirit remind us that even in the harshest conditions, life can thrive and beauty can emerge. In a world overwhelmed by environmental crises, the sunflower reminds us that solutions can be simple and beautiful. It stands as a symbol of renewal, showing us that healing is possible, even in places that seem lost. Nature is not just a victim, it's a powerful ally in healing our planet. When we work with nature, we unlock its incredible ability to restore balance and bring life back to damaged landscapes. Phytoremediation is a model for sustainable problem-solving. It creates beauty, supports pollinators, and leaves the land better than before. Sunflowers don't just clean the soil, they also provide food and shelter for countless creatures. Let the sunflower inspire us to plant seeds of change, both literally and figuratively. Every small action, like planting a seed, can grow into something much greater over time. Hope is an active choice, a decision to work with nature, not against it. When communities come together to restore the land, they also nurture hope for future generations. The earth can heal, and we can help, if we listen to the wisdom of the living world. By observing and respecting nature's processes, we become part of the solution. Our future depends on becoming caretakers, not just consumers. By nurturing the land and each other, we build a legacy of stewardship and resilience. The sunflower stands tall as a beacon of what's possible. Its strength and optimism encourage us to reach higher and dream bigger for our planet. Together, we can cultivate a cleaner, brighter tomorrow, one where hope, action, and nature grow side by side.